Hello guys! Welcome to another sweet day with Ann Sweet Girl. Because we are celebrating a very special day today, we will also be making a very special dessert. This is perfect dessert in any occasions. It's quick and easy to make and it tastes delicious. So what are we celebrating today? It is a Mother's Day! Yay! Happy Mother's Day to all mommies out there. Sa Mama Emi ko, sa mga kapatid ko, kay Ate Vanji at kay Maymay, sa mga lola at titas ko, sa mga mommy friends ko, and sa lahat ng mga tumatayong mommies out there. This is your day. Thank you for the love and care. For our recipe today, we will make a macaroni fruit salad! Yay! It's a very simple yet a special dessert. Like ng mga mommies natin na laging special ang pagmamahal at pag-aalaga para sa atin. Let's start and let's prepare our ingredients. We need 2 liters of water, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 400 grams of macaroni. We also need 900 grams of tropical fruit cocktail, 2 cans of condensed milk, 2 packs of all-purpose cream, and diced cheese. We also need a big mixing bowl and a wooden spoon. In a pot with water, ilagay ang oil and salt. Haluin and then wait until it boils. Ayan, boiling na. Let's add the macaroni pasta. Occasionally stir para ma-avoid na magdikit-dikit. Let's cook this for 10 minutes or until tender na siya. After 10 minutes, check if it's already tender and then remove from fire. Strain in sweet water and let it cool. In a big mixing bowl, combine fruit cocktail, condensed milk, all-purpose cream, macaroni, and yung cheese. Haluin to combine. Tada! Our macaroni fruit salad. Let's chill this for at least an hour and then pwede nang serve. So just like that, meron na tayong macaroni fruit salad. Though we can serve it already, it's still best served when chilled. So let's just wait for at least an hour. And later, we will have a special guest for our tasting. Ito na ang ating macaroni fruit salad. Dahil special day today, meron tayong special guest para sa ating tasting. Ang aking mama!
Hello! Hi guys!
Ang aking mama guys, Happy Mother's Day! Siya ang titikim ng ating ginawang macaroni fruit salad. Sarap kaya.
Tamang-tama lang ang pagkaluto ng macaroni. Hindi matigas, hindi naman malambot. Tamang-tama lang ang timpla. Hindi siya masyadong matamis. Masarap. Lasang-lasa talaga ang ang timpla. Tamang-tama lang.
Yay!
Yeah!
Good,
Salamat
guys.
sa mga anak ko. Para sa special Mother's Day.
Alright guys! In short, nagustuhan ng nanay ko ang gawa. Punong-puno to ng pagmamahal, kaya masarap. Please try this recipe. I'm sure magugustuhan nyo rin. And maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta ng tutorials ko. And please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button for notification. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching!